We will see few miscellaneous topics today. How to do the same thing with fx991ES plus, which we have already done using fx991MS, the older version. The first one will be how to do round off. The second one is what is the use of this convert and constant buttons that you see here on the calculator. The other one is the powers of 10, like 10 to the power of 3, 10 to the power of minus 3. Why is this button? How is this button different from this button? We will see those miscellaneous concepts. First, we will see round off. So here we have already taken one example of circumference of a circle. Suppose now I multiply 2 into pi into 2.2. What I get is a fractional. Now if I want to convert it to a number with decimal portions, so I press S to D. If I want it back, I'll press S to D again, so it will come in the fractional part. uh, so now I want to round off to only 4 decimal places, so 2 decimal places. How can I do it? I can set my calculator so that it will always give me rounded off to 4 decimal places, which is very much required in the engineering exams. So how to do that? Go to shift mode, and here you have fix, which is option number 6. Press 6, so I can round off up to 0 to 9. 0 means it will round off to the next number itself. So here I'll take it as 4. And now if I press the same answer and do S into D, it is rounded off to 4 decimal places. Again, if I want to change it, shift mode, again fix option number 6. Now I want to round off to say 2 decimal places. I press 2 and press equal to and S to D, so it is rounded off to 2 decimal places. If I want to come out of this fix option, so what I can do is again shift mode. One is 6, 9, so it will automatically give me all the digits. Or one more way is you can clear the memory. How do you clear the memory? Shift clear. You select option number 3 all and press equal to for yes, so it will reset all. Now everything is resetted. Press AC. So now if I do 2 into 3.14 into 2.2, it will not show me up to only 3 decimal places or so. So 2 into, again if I want to check, 2 into pi, so it is giving to the maximum number of places. That is one more way of resetting this fix. Next is the usage of powers. See, there are two buttons here. One is here 10 power something, or it is multiply by 10 power x. Say if I want to do this calculation using this button, how can I do this? 1 into, now into I have to press here shift log, so it is showing me here, so it is 3, now it is minus 3. Next you want to type 5, so you have to come down. If you do 5 here only, it is taking in the power itself, so delete it and press this right one, so it will come down. 5 into shift log 10 to the power of, now it is plus 6, so if you want another number, if you to type here, it will take in the power itself. So use this arrow which is facing towards the left, or which is on the right. It will come down and press equal to, it is 5000. One more way of doing the same thing is using this button into 10 power x. So this into you don't have to press, it is already there. So now I have 1, so I'll press 1 here. I have 1 here into 10 power 6, so I just press into 10. So now it is minus 3, it is minus 3. There is no need for parenthesis. If you want, you can put into, I have 5 here next, so 5 into 10 power 6 is already there, so you don't have to type into again like how you did when we were using log. So what you have to do, just press this, and now it is plus 6. Now also you get the same answer. So you can, there is no option for kilomega like in the other calculator, but you can either use this option or this option. And if you use this, you have to multiply, use this multiply button. Here we don't have to multiply because multiply is already there, and here it will come like this only next to the 10. But if you use this option, it will come in the power like how we write. Next, what is the use of this constant and conv? So constant will give you some constant value. You are told not to take the back cover, so you need to know what that constant is, what is the notation, and what is the SI unit. Suppose I press constant I won't get, if I press 7 I won't get anything, so I have to use shift constant because it is given here. So there are 40 constants. What are those constants? You can refer to the back cover. Say 0 1, if I press, this is MP. I should know what MP is. MP is mass of a proton equal to, which is 1.67 so on into 10 to the power of minus 27. This is the value. I should know the SI unit. It is kg. Similarly, what is convert for? It is to convert between different units, say meter to centimeter. Again, what is what? What is the menu for which one? 40 conversions are possible. You can refer to the back calculator. First, I have to type what value I have to convert from which meter, sorry, which unit to another unit. Say 02 is the value that I have. I want to convert this, shift convert. So 01, so 01 stands for inch. So 2 inches, what is it in centimeter? Press equal to, 2 inches is equal to 127 by 25. If you press S to D, S to D goes from decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal, vice versa, 5.08. Again, if you press, it will come back to fraction. Now, if you want it as a mixed fraction, what you can do, shift SD, it will give you as a mixed fraction. So if you press SD, S to D, it will go from fractional to a whole number, an integer number. Again, if you press, it will go from an integer number with decimal portion to fractional. If you want it as a mixed fraction, special case, you have to press shift SD, it will give you a mixed fraction. Similarly, now I want 5, convert, so shift 8, so 05. So 5 yards, what is it in equal to meter? Equal to, so if you do S to D, it will give from fraction to decimal, 4.572. If I want the same thing in mixed fraction mode, shift S to D, which is in this form. Again, here S to D again 4.572. You can fix the number of digit using the fix option, for which you have to go to shift mode, fix 6. Say I want only 2 decimal places, it will show up to only 2 decimal places.